how I started my own digital product business. I know what you're thinking: how, what, and where do I even start? The beginning, from stay at home mom to digital entrepreneur. The spark, it all started with a simple idea: create, share, and empower. The first step, my first product, a planner that changed everything. The challenges, juggling motherhood and business was tough, but I was determined. The breakthrough, with each sale, my confidence and passion grew. The growth, I expanded my product line, reaching more women like me. The impact, helping others create, market, and manage their own digital products. The mission, my goal, to empower stay at home moms to become work from home baes while managing finances and family. The future, this is just the beginning. Join me on this amazing journey. Invitation, ready to start your own digital product business? Visit digitalbaystudio.com, where you will find the Digital Product Masterclass and the Faceless Entrepreneur Blueprint. Everything I use to start earning my five-figure business and rising. Start today. You won't regret it.